I want to share with you guys a lyric for the new record. It doesn't even have a musical home yet, but I felt like it feels like it's really appropriate for where we all are right now. You know, I've never in my life experienced so much commonality. You know, with the whole world, we're just we've got a lot of commonality. Trying to figure out how to respond. You know? Just a little while ago, something really scary happened to me, and I had a near-death experience. Most of us have had near-death experiences in our lives, and you know, I did something that was really reckless, and I've done a lot of things that are reckless in my life, and got away with it, I guess, you know, because I'm still here, and I could have died, or I could have killed somebody else, but I woke up one morning at 3 a.m. Sat up in my bed, and I thought, why do I get to be here? You know, why do I get to be here? So that inspired this song, and I wrote this just before this whole coronavirus thing happened. But it feels right. It feels apropos, I should say. So why do I get to be here? Why do I get to be here? If not to live, if not to serve, if not to give someone the love they deserve, why do I get to be here? Why do you get to be here? Or why do you get to be here? If not to honor the sanctity of life, black hawk to the rescue, white dove taking flight. Why do you get to be here? Listen to the children laughing, listen to the children crying. We are all in this together, one world together. Listen to the children laughing, listen to the children crying. We are all in this together. Kindred spirits, undying. Kindred spirits, undying. Why do we get to be here? Why do we get to be here? Why do we get to be here? If not to retrieve our souls from lost and found, sinners and true believers, take communion, pass the peace pipe, now. Listen to the children laughing, listen to the children crying. We are all in this together. One world, together, one world. Listen to the children laughing, listen to the children crying. We are all in this together. Kindred spirits, undying.